Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to the garage. Today I got to do an oil change on the Tundra and I get to install my Fumoto oil valve that I've had for a while. It's just been sitting on the shelf waiting for my next oil change. So if you've never seen one of these valves before, they're really cool. They've got a little lockout mechanism here, so once it's shut, you put this little plastic tab on and it keeps the lever from moving around, opening the valve. So when you're ready for an oil change, you just pop that off and then you just lift and now the valve is open. And then close it up, just like that. So we're going to install this on the Tundra today, and that will make oil changes in the future that much easier. So I did get the kit that came with the little nozzles, so you can stick this on here, and then you can run a hose, and that way I can just put this together like that and run the oil straight to my drain pan, make it nice and easy. Comes with a straight piece and a 90 degree.
Alright, we're in some tight quarters here. Alright, we got our Fumoto valve here. Just gonna pop that in the drain hole with the gasket they provide and spin it on until it's hand tight. Alright, that's hand tight there. So while on the body of the valve, just give it an extra 1/8 of a turn. Yep, that feels nice and tight. And then we can pop the safety clip on there. There we go. So it's been a few months since the Fumoto install and I haven't had any issues with it. We're about 6,000 miles in, so it's time for another oil change. I'm gonna go ahead and jump back onto the truck and drop the oil. So as you can see, it was a lot cleaner than usual. When I'm pulling out the drain plug, it usually splashes out of the pan and usually hits the tire and the floor and everything else. This I could direct wherever I wanted to with the hose, and it was as simple as just running a paper towel over the nozzle when I was done. Super pleased with how it works on the truck. I loved it on the STI, so I kind of knew it was going to work great for me on the Tundra. I'll leave a link down below where I got it. I just grabbed it right from Fumoto themselves. And thank you for hanging out with me in the garage. I'll see you on the next one.